Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I have something special for you. So I remember the last time I did this video, there was a lot of compliments and a lot of people that wanted to know more, and also see how far I've gone so far. So there's a lot I've achieved and also a lot of growth that has happened over the years. I do apologize for being MIA. It hasn't been a little while, it has been a lot. So today I am gonna quickly show you guys my skincare routine. The last time I showed you guys really loved it, so I thought I show you an updated version, an upgraded version. There's some products that I have changed and some products that I am still using because they have worked for me over the years. So first and foremost, we're going to start with the things that I use when I'm in the shower, and also the things that I use when I'm out of the shower on my face before I put on makeup. So first and foremost, we're going to start with those shower ones first. So the three things that I use in the shower depending on what product. So I have these, like my shower is full of like skincare routine, I'm telling you. So I have my Clearasil, I think, yeah, Clearasil, I just started myself. Clearasil Ultra 5-in-1 exfoliating scrub. So basically the reason why I actually like this scrub is because it's pimple sizing, excess oil, block pores, and pimple marks and blackhead, which I tend to have a lot of those. So basically this works for me nicely, and I tend to use the wash if I was going to be using this, because this is a bit of peeling when you do use it. So I do, I say 10 minutes before going in the shower, that way I apply it on my face before going in the shower. And the second one is actually my favorite, the Neutrogena oil free scrub. This is actually really good. The reason why I tend to like this one is due to the micro clear technology. So basically what that means is like it's kind of like silicone acid. It's got silicone acid in it. So what silicone acid does is actually clear your face from dark spots and also any blemishes. It doesn't happen over time. You got to use it on a regular basis, and also base it with products that are actually Neutrogena, which helps your skin get used to it, and also kind of like help it enhance and also clear all the dark spots that you want to get rid of. So this one is my everyday one that I use in the shower, and I followed that with my wash. So this is basically like a scrub. I apply it on my face, like let's say when I'm about to brush my teeth, I apply it on my face and brush my teeth and then go in the shower. So basically that works every day. And followed by that, I use my Neutrogena Hydro Boost Gel Cleanser. So basically that's how it is. This is amazing. It's water-based, water gel. So this is just like for your face. It boosts hydration onto your face, which is really good, because like especially me having a dry skin, I basically have oil face but my skin is very dry. So if I put my makeup off, I have very dry face. So this really helps brings hydration, boost of water into my face, and that is really amazing. So after that, when I get out of the shower, I tend to use the same product, which is my Neutrogena toner. I don't know if you guys can see that. So it's visible, reducing the appearance of poor and refined skin, and it's got alpha beta hydroxy formula, which is really good. Another formula, kind of like an acid based formula, which helps with the skin and rejuvenates the skin, and also it kind of complements these two. So these two are like my go-to every day that I put on my face. So this is how they come in. So that being said, so once that is done, I tend to use my Mario Badescu. So basically this is just like a moisturizer, kind of like a face mist that I just put on my face. Keeps, it has a really never get tired of that. It has a nice smell. It's facial spray with aloe vera and Shalodomin and lavender. And I also use the water-based gel cream. So this is what it is. It's like a pan. When you open it, it's just clear white in there, and I just kind of use that, apply that on my face, and it just works perfectly for me. And it just boosts my face, keep my face hydrated and not dry. And during this summer season that's coming up, trust, my face is gonna be boiling. So this is just gonna be doing a lot of work in terms of keeping my face hydrated and much more juvenile and youthfulness. So a lot of people have been asking me if this actually works. So last time I did this video, I actually said I really love this product, and it has been my go-to product from day one. So basically, this is my Neutrogena Rapid Toner Moisturizer. So these two things are God sent, to be honest, for me. Basically, these two things kind of like work really nicely for me. I don't know how to put it, but like I've been using this since almost 3 years, and it's just been working. So recently I discovered the Rapid Anti-Wrinkle Repair Aging Moisturizer. You'd be surprised, you'd be like, why am I using anti-aging rapid repair? Trust me, I've been using this for like a good year. I actually bought this with the intention of buying this. I mistakenly bought this when I was going to Ghana. So I ended up in Ghana and I opened it and I was like, ooh, it's actually anti-aging. And I bought 2 because I use the night and the day. So this one is actually the day one, and I also use the night one that I apply on my face when I am going to sleep. So both of these anti-wrinkle, so I usually pair these 2 in the daytime because they're both work differently, and they both Neutrogena, so they all have the same chemical compound that actually works to help your skin rejuvenate. So I use those 2. So I use this one and the anti-aging pair with this normal one, and I also have these in the night one, which I use at night time. It's the same thing, it just has the night at the bottom here rather than anti-wrinkle. So that's a good one. So when I pair that, I tend to use either my Myro Badisco, I never say that name right, so which is the dry lotion. So this is very dry, trust. So I don't tend to apply all over my face. I just put a cotton bar in there, and I just put it on the, like, let's say if I have a pimple appearing on my face and I don't want that to last any longer that it's meant to look, I just kind of use this dry lotion, and then it gets rid of it like ASAP. Like it would vanish the next day. I'm telling you, like, it's no joke. You should try it if you have pimples just appearing on your face on a regular basis and you don't want that. That usually happens when I have, like, let's say I eat a lot of nuts, because I'm a bit allergic. I react differently when I eat nuts, and I love nuts. So when I eat nut, the next day you see I start getting like bloody pimples all over my face, and we don't want that. So I use that. And last but not the least, I discovered these Oxy-10. So Oxy-10, I actually discovered the Oxy-5, which I was using, which has been doing amazing work. So this product is amazing. So I bought 2 because this is Oxy-10, which is very, very, like, it keeps your face, when I say dry, it keeps your face dry. So I do recommend, if you're gonna use the Oxy-10, you use that when you're going to bed, because if you use that during the day, it will crack through. So I used the Oxy-5, which is more of like a creamy color like your makeup. So when you put makeup, when you apply makeup on, it kind of helps it and doesn't keep it, and it's not as strong as the Oxy-10 is. So the Oxy-10 actually has benzoyl peroxide, so which is why it keeps your, because it peels out when you put it on your face, it peels out your dead skins. So which is really strong to be using on the daytime, and it's clear, it's not as the Oxy-5. So yeah, those 2 things I use for a regular day. I try to, like, see a dermatologist in terms of my skin, but I've just like been using these products and they do the same work, paying a lot of money to getting a skin treatment, or it's just a matter of time. It doesn't happen overnight, it doesn't happen over a day. I've been using, let's say, this Neutrogena Rapid for like close to 3 years, and that's how I've seen results. So if you do want a quick result, I think you might want to try a different route. However, if you are patient and you just want to like gradually kind of like work your way up and get rid of your dark spots and blemishes and pimples, then this is the right thing for you to try, and also make sure you can use them. But aside being that, thank you guys for watching the video. I appreciate you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. I'm also gonna put my social media platform on this video, and you can go follow your girl. If you also just want me to say it, you can follow me, Makeups by S, on social media for business inquiries.
Yes,